Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I am Regina, your gut mentor and biochemist. Here we talk about science-based strategy to improve your gut health and your life. Today we are going to explore the hidden connection between your gut microbiota, sugar, fat and immune system, and how this can literally decide whether your body is in balance or inflamed. Now, are you ready for this? Inside your gut live trillions of microbiomes that communicate with your metabolism and immune system every time you eat. When this conversation goes wrong, too much sugar, the wrong fats, and ultra-processed food, your body responds with low-grade inflammation, insulin resistance, weight gain, and even skin problems. Today, I'll explain the exact science, what happens step by step, and then I'll give you a practical plan that you can start even today. Now, your gut microbiota is the ecosystem of bacteria, viruses, yeast in your intestine. They digest fiber into short-chain fatty acid. They train your immune cells and they protect the intestinal barrier. When the microbiota is balanced, your immune system stays calm and precise. When it's imbalanced, the barrier becomes leaky and inflammatory signals rise. High fats, high sugar, low fiber diets can increase something called lipopolysaccharide or LPS, which slip through the gut wall into your blood. LPS binds to immune receptors and create a state of chronic low-grade inflammation. These make your insulin less effective and can lead to insulin resistance and obesity. In scientific study, simply changing the microbiota reduces inflammation and improves metabolic markers. On the other hand, when you feed your microbiome with fiber, they produce acetate, propionate, and butyrate, short-chain fatty acid that strengthen the gut barrier, regulate your immune system, and help balance glucose and lipid metabolism. This is one reason why high fiber intake consistently reduces inflammation. And here's something really important for you. Your microbiome can change within just few days, depending on your diet. Studies have shown that switching from all animal diet to plant-rich diet reshape the microbiota rapidly. This means your daily food choices are literally the steering wheel on your health. But it's not only about sugar calories. Ultra-processed food and artificial sweeteners can also disrupt your microbiota. Research shown that high intake of emulsifiers, stabilizer, and sweeteners can shift microbial composition and, in some people, even drive glucose intolerance. And the effect is personal. Some people react strongly, others less, but your microbiota is always involved. We also know that the microbiota can even transmit metabolic traits. In one famous experiment, science took the microbiota from an obese mouse and transferred it into a lean mouse. The lean mouse gained fat even without changing its diet. This proves the gut is not just passenger, it's a driver of metabolism. So, what you can do? Here is my evidence-based plan that works as a baseline for almost everyone. Aim for 30 to 40 grams of fiber per day from beans, lentils, oats, chia seed, flax, berries, and lots of green vegetables. The more variety, the better. Include 2 to 6 servings of fermented food every day. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, kombucha. A recent trial showed this increased microbiome diversity and reduce inflammation. Keep sugar free under 10% of your daily calories and replace sugary drinks and processed snacks with whole food alternatives. Focus on fat quality, extra virgin olive oil, nuts, seeds, and oily fish. Limit deep fried on highly refined fats. Keep a consistent eating window, for example, 12 to 14 hours overnight fast, and include fiber to every meal to keep your gut microbiomes producing short-chain fatty acid all day. And remember, personalization matters. If you notice that a so-called healthy food or sweeteners doesn't sit well with you, it could be your unique microbiota. Tracking symptoms and adjusting with data is the best approach. So remember, your microbiota is not your destiny, it's responsive. When you feed the right signals, your metabolism, your immune system, your skin, and all your energy all follow. If you feel these problems apply to you, don't worry, we can fix this together. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs this sort of information. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!